Hi, we're back and we're pressing the blocks now that we've gotten them all sewn together, and we are going to press toward the dark. We're going to press the block toward the 8 patch. So I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to just press my block down. Just press toward the 8 back. And this is one where then I'll turn it over and I'll press it on the front side as well. Now this is one that is longer on the sides. They have extra. Let's see if I could do it this way. So it's more over here on the 8 patches than it is on the white part. The white part we know is correct. It's 8.5. So that's what I mean by when we press it, we'll see that it's bigger. And when we turn it over, we can see that it's bigger, but we're going to cut that part off. So I don't want to do it right now because I have to take it over to the cutting mat. And so once I finish pressing all of these and I see which ones have a little bit extra, then I'm going to take it over to the cutting mat and cut it. So all right, we'll be back and we'll get to the next part. Be blessed, my friends.